What is integers? I don't understand. I wish someone would help me.
What's up, baby?
Oh,
I'm Professor Harry B, and now I'm gonna explain to you guys what is integer.
hello.
Hello, kids. Professor Harry B is back, and today we're talking about. Have you ever wondered what integers are? So, integers are number included positive numbers, negative numbers, and zero. The word integers is a Latin word which means whole numbers in English. This means integers do not include fraction or decimal. In this video, we will learn more about the meaning of integers, the history of integers, and some example of integers. So, what are integers? Firstly, what are integers? As I said before, integers are whole numbers and negative numbers, including zero. This means if we have negative numbers together with whole numbers, we will make a set of integers. For example, negative 5, 0, 1, 5, 8, and 8 are integers. And the set of integers as the symbol Z. Kepa, please write the symbol, John. The simple integers for you guys.
Let's go!
Good boy. So this is the simple integers. This symbol are used worldwide for the entire world, such as calculating the temperatures, money, or simply dividing pizza equally. This shows that integers are important to our life. So it is important to understand the numbers and the symbol of integers. Firstly, let's explore the meaning of positive numbers and negative numbers. And zero positive numbers that are greater than 0, 1, 2, and 3. Then there are negative numbers, which are the numbers that are less than 0. Some example of that are negative 1 and negative 2 and negative 3. Then, Kepa, can you please write some of the example that I just explained? Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Oh yeah, just like that. So, and lastly, 0 is not a negative numbers or a positive numbers, but it is still whole numbers.
Okay, thanks for Professor Harry. So now I will explain the 4 basic calculations used with integers. So firstly, we have additions. So addition is when we add a number with another number. The two numbers are called addends, and they will lead to a final total or sum. We use the symbol plus, please.
So this is a symbol plus.
Yes. To show the process of additions. So for example, 1 plus 2 equals 3.
And this is the example that people are trying to explain.
So the number 1 is being added with the number 2, which leads to the number 3.
Yeah.
This one is the total. So the second operations is subtraction. So subtraction is when we take a number which is called the minuend to subtract with another number, which is called subtrahend. So this two will lead to a final difference. So we use the symbol minus.
Here,
Please.
it's minus.
Yeah. To show the process of subtractions. For example, 3 minus 2 equal 1.
Sir?
Yeah, as you can see, the number 3 is being minus by number 2, which leads to number 1.
Oh yeah. Hey,
Yeah.
let's go.
Yeah.
So, an easier example for understanding subtraction is Mr. Vung.
Oh my god!
One day he walks in park and a guy named Bim walks towards him and stole 2 apples from him. And then how many apples does Mr. Boom have left? Of course, 1. So, do you guys understand it? Yes, sir.
So thirdly, we have multiplications. So multiplication is one we take two factors to multiply together to form a product. So we use the symbol x, please.
This is an X.
Yeah, to show the process of multiplications. For example, 3 multiplied by 2 equals 6. As you can see, the number 3 is being multiplied by the number 2, which forms number 6.
Yes. Continue.
Say we have the divisions. So divisions is one we take a number and divide by another number, which forms the final quotient. We use the symbol divisions, please. Here.
This is the division symbol.
Yeah. To shows the process of divisions. So let's take an example. So 6 divided by 3 equal 2.
Divide by 3 equal 2.
So here the number 6 is divided by number 3, which forms the final quotient to be number 2.
Yes, sir.
Yes. But Professor Harry, I wonder, how did they invent integers?
Wow, what a great question from little Kappa. So now I will explain the history of integers, and it's gonna be the last part of this video. So listen carefully. The origin of integers in mathematics, as the term integers, come from the Latin and terrens, meaning untouched or complete. Ancient cultures such as Babylon and Mayan contribute to the development of integers by introducing zero as a placeholder during the 19th centuries. Negative numbers were combined into number system by mathematical, like August Louis Cauchy. The symbol Z stands for integers, introduced by Richard Dedekind in the 18th centuries, and is still used nowadays. The article also explained integers can be positive, negative, or zero. Positive and negative integers are used in various math operations. Zero act as a natural element between them, and this basic rules for integers operations such as addition, this subtraction, this multiplication is this simple, and last subtraction. And if you guys want to know more about the history, dive deep in the history, this is where you're gonna look at it. So now, thank you guys for listening to this video with my student Kappa.
他只要一听见动静，他就这样。